City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when
Hi guys, andito kami sa airport and yeah.
I'm with you. But I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you is where the room, yeah, got me.
Where? Me. Video. I video. Hello guys, welcome.
No ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I might get to too much talking. I might have to tell you something. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you.
Hug ate, tingnan mo. Maso! And then, take care ate. Puta na nauwi. Wait lang. Nagawa mo. Bakit? Hug na kayo ate. Bye-bye. Bye. Nagawa. See you in 2 years. 2 years already. 2 years. 2 years. 2 years na sama? Nagaon na? 2 years lang sasama? 2 years lang sasama or 2 years? Hey guys! That is my ID. Saan? Saan ka pupunta? Hello guys, I'm gonna leave guys. I'm gonna leave them. And to the moon now. To the moon. I'm going to the moon? Fly high in the sky. And the moon now. I'm not gonna go to the moon. I'm gonna go to the moon? Bye. Going there. Go to the sky, high in the sky until you... Bye-bye, ate. Ingat na. See you tomorrow. Mabuti doon. Bye. Don't forget my next meal. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, tatawag ako. Bye. Bye. Hi, guys. Mag-isa na lang ako and andun sila mami sa labas and andito na ako sa boarding blah blah blah. Look, wait. Tchang! I'm in the boarding area. Pupunta na ako sa gate ko is and yung gate ko is 133A. Pupunta ako doon.
One eternity later.
my introvertness. Anyways, magbo-board na ako. Nakapila na kami. We're gonna ride the shuttle to ride the airplane. Yeah.
Good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City.
Guys, ang dilim. Pero I'm boarding the plane na. And yeah. Oh wait, ano yung seat ko? Nalimutan ko yung seat ko. Hi guys! Akyat na ako.
I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa Bacolod. Ay, mali. Hi guys! Ari na tayo sa Bacolod. Ayos! Okay, standby lang kayo. Kukunin ko yung backpack.
Me better when I'm with you.
Thanks na kuya.
Okay.